Here at GlasWerks, we believe in going the extra mile for our customers to make them happy. This car came all the way from Dallas, Texas, came in and it was already wrapped in matte Miami blue. The customer brought the vehicle to us to get our professional opinion. After further looking into the car and seeing the quality of the work that was given to the customer, we pointed out a bunch of issues that we saw with the car and indiscrepancies that wouldn't leave the doors here. From there, after we removed the wrap, with a car like this that isn't the best blank canvas to start with, there are numerous things that we have to do to make sure that we get a quality outcome. With this wrap, we included the door jambs and the door backs to make this car appear like it was satin gray from factory. On this car, we use KPMF Satin Nero to give it this cool black gray metallic look and obviously the satin finish. After the wrap was completed, we applied STEK Final Coat 5-year ceramic coating over the entire car to protect the wrap and the satin finish from the sun and the weather for years to come. We even went as far to cut out stickers in the door jambs to ensure that the vehicle looks satin gray from factory. Overall, with this project, I'm happy that we were able to turn a negative into a positive. This was a customer that came to us that had not one, but 2 bad experiences with prior wrap shops, and I'm glad that he decided to come here and give us the opportunity to make it right. Overall, this was a great project, and I think we had an ideal result. I can't wait to show you guys what's coming next, and we hope to see you next time.